Hello and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is May the 7th, 2026, and we're getting our squash and zucchini seeds planted here. But I already have my seeds laid out on here. I'm just taking my finger and I'm pressing these down in. We're getting an early start to these. I'm putting these here in 4 packs here, and these should start germinating within 7 to 14 days. And then we will transplant these out. I'm using Jiffy Natural and Organic Seed Starting Mix. I'm going to put these about an inch deep. So I'm going to finish getting all of these here put down in. Okay, so these are all planted here, and I'm just going to take a gentle mist and go over the tops of these here. That's going to get our seeds nice and moist. And I have a loose fitting lid over this. I'm going to let the sun heat this up here, and it's going to warm my soil up so my seeds germinate for me. Normally I use the heat in the floor, but being that it's been so warm in the greenhouse, the heat hasn't been coming on as much, so I'm using the heat from the sun coming in, and that's going to get my soil nice and warm so my seeds germinate. You can also use a soil germination mat. So when these start coming up, I will come back and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so we're going to check on our squash and zucchini here. And oops. And this one here is ready to come out. So these are going to keep germinating in the greenhouse here. Now, people say that when you have algae growing on your stuff, your soil is too wet. That actually is not true, because I have seen algae grow on soil that is completely dry. So, not exactly sure where this came from, because it seems like maybe it was in one of the bags of seed starting mix that I had gotten. And I put the lid back on this one. This here I just sat over here for now, and I'll be moving it later on. So we're going to check on more of these here. Yep, we got more coming up here. This here is another zucchini here. So this one here is ready to come out. And these here are still germinating. And I got one more to check here. We have a pumpkin coming up back there. Okay, so this is just some of the zucchini and pumpkin seeds that have sprouted. So these will get planted out after the danger of frost has passed. And these here, you can see these are starting to germinate more. You can tell that they're starting to germinate because they're pushing the soil up. So as these continue to germinate, I'm going to make sure that the soil stays moist but not soggy. And I'm going to keep checking on them. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you that I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Bye.